Ready? Go! Hurry up!
Well, I got the hiccups about 10 seconds before I started the stream. So that'll be fun to deal with just kind of like all day. Presumably. I mean, it could just go away. But okay. What did I do last time? I did various things last time. And I will continue to do those things. We're making cool progress in the game. Started on this quest, got quite a ways actually in one day. So what I'm hoping to do, there's a few different routes through this quest, and I want to kind of just cap off each of them. Like right now, we have we have the councilman basically. So we have explored in this time-stopped area, you know, so it's dark and cold, as it is typical in the when time is stopped, or as it is in this video game's laws of physics. And we found our missing man. He's about to assassinate the governor, who is surely somewhere in here. Well, I think he's not, because he's actually already been assassinated. But the game is not quite done yet, or this quest is not quite like implemented yet. So now I need to think, if the player fails to stop the assassination, what exactly happens? Like, what is our mission here? What is going to be happening? I think the easy way is for the councilman to just make an announcement like, hey, you know, the governor is dead. Fuck you guys. I hate your government. And it loses. You lose. I win. But then, like, what is his game plan from there? Like, does he just die? Like, because, like, once he does that, there's basically no possible way out of this situation. Because I basically just want to also make sure the player doesn't have to, I guess, wallow in the failure for too long. Because basically, the player has failed to stop an assassination. So let's think about this. Also, I just really like how the shadow looks like a fake soft shadow. Or it kind of emulates a soft shadow. I'm getting distracted by how nice it looks. But, well, I mean, it doesn't look that great. Like that, for example. But, okay. I'm getting actually distracted. I think what I'll do for now, let's just have it fade to black, and then it'll do a fancy, like, exit, or, like, teleport the player back to where everybody should be. Let's do that. Management, no, dialogue. Quests. No, it's inside content. My brain takes a while to, like, reacclimate to, like, doing work. Okay, let's go to the politician. So first thing we need to do is we need to disable exiting here, I think, or we can mention gun, so let's do that. Exit where mentioned gun. You don't have many choices. Gun at you. I mean, I could eventually, like, to do option to run. What do you gain? Because what he could do is just kill the governor. But I think what I might wind up doing is having it be, if you do this, he just points a gun at you. Or like, you know, tries to shoot you and gets distracted. So basically using yourself as bait works. Actually, I'm going to skip this album. Something lower key. Yeah, that seems about good. Is it? Nah, whatever. Shoots the governor. Okay. Attention, everyone. Rename. Governor is dead. I'm trying to think, would it be too dark if he then, like, shot himself? Or should he like, let them take him alive? Well, I don't think that'd work very well. Maybe they just disappear off into the night. Into the darkness. I don't know what they do there, but, you know, the player can have it up to their imagination. Well, they wouldn't, like, none of the other people would let him just run away, because then it's like, well, who else is he gonna kill if he's gonna, like, you know, be running off in the dark like this? He could cripple the entire government by just taking out every single person here. I mean, wiping out the entire... Now that I think about it, wiping out the entire governing body of the province would be a much more reasonable use case for, like, you know, because this is... He's in a place where time is just stopped. And they have, like, hours of oxygen. There's no, like, time limit on it. But the way it works, it'd be just too powerful. And also, I think I need lower key music. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start setting up that. What music do I have? Yeah, and I'm also thinking, what's the least amount of work I have to do to make this quest work? Okay, let's get Fallout soundtrack, Rain World soundtrack. And then, what's the other one that I have? Dreaming Sarah? That's a good one. It's been a while since I've done a lot of these. Okay. We are now going to be in... Whoa, not quite that loud. Let's switch to like Fallout. Okay. That'll kick off eventually. So I was supposed to do a lot of this stuff on Monday and Tuesday, but I didn't want to. I wanted to do other things. Okay. Just fade out, teleport the player. Fade out. He disappears into the darkness. Well... You know, fuck it. To do what actually happens... And then we'll do like quests, time, stop, repair, failure. Okay, where is our time stop quest? What the hell is this? Dialogue underscore time stop. That's not even in here, is it? My pea-brain can't... Oh, time stopped. Okay. I remember what that one is. Yeah, that's for, I mean, we could just move that into the time stop stuff. Doesn't make sense for it to be like a default thing. Okay. And what we might do is a similar thing for... Actually, I should put that here as well. To do reactions when time is moving slowly. So return value discarded. Add stat returns value. Okay. Function, prepare, failure. So let's teleport player. How do we teleport the player? Player. Teleport to path. Alright, we have that. And this will be Crab Hill Lab player. So I guess it'll just be... How does the time stop path thing work? Like this thing. Okay, that seems fine. Lab player. And then we'll basically teleport all the other NPCs to here. So it'll be like, oh wait, no. Global.getPlayer.teleport the path. And then like, teleport NPC. And this will be like lab ref1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3. Okay. So function teleport NPC. ID path. And these are both strings. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do is when we teleport the player, the game assumes that it has to work. So let's go to global. Is that not here? Let's go to the player. Let's go to teleport to path, actually. Update everything, call deferred, teleport to path. Okay, this makes sense. What we should do is call deferred self. Oh no, just pair failure. Basically, it'll wait a frame for this to work, so that way the scene will load and the player will be able to like go to the correct place, and then the NPCs will pop in. And we can do just that as like var w path equals world path new path. Alright, we should also have like, I don't know, plus stat failed or something. Note like TS assassination continue. He I couldn't stop him. So TS assassination completes. I guess that's fine. Basically, and there'll be some awkward conversations as we get back. But okay, I think wife have to die, but how? Okay, so let's also do var npc find npc I think we need to have, let's just do if there's not an NPC. If not NPC or not world path dot exists, move NPC ID path return. Otherwise, we just do npc dot global transform equals world path dot node dot global transform. And we should also do like a track NPC on that. Which I guess... I don't care. I'll keep it like that. Oh wait, no. We do actually need all of the other stuff here. I think what I should do is just have it move the NPC, but then have like an instant. So it'd be like... Okay. That's probably going to be good. Because what we're going to do is instead, if instance npc equal or dot global transform equals world path dot node dot global transform, and then we can do the rest of this stuff. Because we can still navigate and all that, etc. And world path dot exists. Okay. That way, that should still work. And then this will just be... You know, let's still have a function for teleporting NPCs. NPC path move NPC path nothing through. ID? No, string. There we go. Oh, and then we can also, like, delete the NPC. TS politician and TS wife. And forget, or tell, this will do like, let's do that real fast. Or deleting an NPC. Bar n equals find NPC ID if n dot q free, and then like global dot forget NPC n. Oh. Well, we should probably do this first. Wait, but does that mean that we should have like if we do we use this anywhere? Oh yeah, I guess we do actually. And I think all NPCs... Well, no. Exit tree does that. Okay. I think that's all I need for there, actually. So now I think if we go back to here... So if we go through this again... So, give him the radio... Oh, wait, no. That wasn't at all what I needed. You don't need to threaten me. I don't know what you want me to say. What? Didn't I literally, like, get this working last time? Okay, just do this. Okay. It was basically, it's half broken. I was choosing the wrong dialogue options that did not have the branches properly set up. Okay, points again at you. Blah, blah, blah. I can't stop you. So, blah, blah, blah. You guys will be free. What actually happens? What is that? Not quite. So when we teleport the NPC... Ah... We still need Balter's scene path. Why do we need that, actually? Hang on. Let's just have that then. Balter path. Const Balter. What's that? Let's keep that. Okay, so for Balter, we do not do that. Move, NPC, Balter, this and that. Balter path, true. Okay. Do all this again. That didn't quite work how it was supposed to. Okay, so the teleportation does not quite work. Give him the radio. It should have faded in. Why am I, like, here? Okay, so it teleported me to, like, the center... Oh, no. Right above where I was supposed to be? What? Huh. So much fucked up stuff. Also, the fact that I can fall into the water without dying was weird. So I teleported... I think I teleported underneath the chunk. I think that's what that was. So no such node. Oh, okay. It's because that was not... That didn't exist. Okay, so if we go to the player, let's go back to the player. Teleport to path C. That should be a breakpoint. Player. No, what am I looking for? Grab, hill, lab. There should be a position called, like, player. Okay, so I think I need to do like kind of from the top. No, I think what I can do actually right now is just global stop time. And then we can just cobble this together. Incite me, blah blah blah. You know, I don't care. But that's not at all what it should be. In fact, can't we just do, I think we can just do literally every point after this. In fact, anytime we're not going to be here, well, no, okay, actually, that needs to be there. Okay. What actually happens, all that stuff. You know, I think that's kind of fine. Let's do that. Okay, so let's save this as like TS fail. Epic fail. Just do the platforming, something at the Citadel, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's go through each of these guys now. Have just a little tiny bit of dialogue of just like, well, that was awkward. That happened. The governor just got assassinated on our watch. We're like completely fucked. 4, 5, 6, no. So wife and regroup don't need to be here. Politicians, scientists, politicians need to be here. Assassination, okay, Balter is the one that I'm missing. He is in major quests. Balter. Time stop. I don't think I do anything with like... I think we just do go to here. Otherwise he stares at you, otherwise this. Not global time stopped. Otherwise stat TS missing, otherwise stat TS exit. I guess we just do... Maybe I just have TS exit as one of the stats we have here. I've really jumbled up the like quest, like the flags here. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have like TS exit as like we're leaving. Like we can leave. And then there's other things that are here. Or like this will just be plus stat TS exit. Like, look at all this. Look at how fucked up this is. Such a jumble. He's unconscious. Main speaker nav in progress. He's walking to the machine. So let's do, like, Wait, this is not... Global task is completed. Time stop. Stat PS/exit. We'll just go to time stop exit. So this will be after, I guess this will be here, like time, stop, exit. So it's TS assassination complete. Stats. What have we done? Oh, this'll... I don't think this research is going to go very far. Okay. Alright. The machine. Talk to the others. Skip. Yeah, I think I set this up incorrectly before, because like the time stop should obviously do this here. Okay, and we are not going to have this here. Well, let's just say to do some ending dialogue. For now, that'll be fine. Okay, so time stop exit. Oh wait, we don't need this. The machine runs. Resuming time. I guess let's just complete task time complete. So like this, I don't think this is going to be here at all. Yeah, I don't think that's going to be here. At least, so we're out of that blackness. I didn't... I think I've had... That was a lot more than I was bargaining for. Of course not. I had no idea. Okay. Let's just at least see if his dialogue works. Because that will give us, like, you know, a fighting chance of, like, figuring out how to make the rest of this work. Okay. Have you found anything? Oh, yeah. I don't have, global add stat ts/exit. Okay, let's have this say, like, resume time. So Dr. Karamov runs the machine. Okay, so let's do a similar thing for the rest of them. So we got not exists blah, exists this, not global time stopped, not stat TS missing. That's fine. Not stat TS found. No, let's do otherwise stat TS exit. And then if it's, you know what, let's just say, I know. If Dr. Karamov is passed out, we should have this. So, TS slash, what is it? TS slash scientist injured. We should get out of here soon. And then, like, skip. You know what, let's do that here. And then we'd have otherwise. Otherwise, this has been a complete disaster. We should get out of here before anyone else dies. So not stat TS found. Stat TS exit. Looks at the ground saying nothing. Let's just say that. Otherwise not stat TS exit. No, it's not going to be that. Stats TS slash assassination complete. Deliberation. What are they called again? What are they going to be? What should they be called? Rename. Otherwise, let's get out of here. Actually, you know what? He just says nothing. Once we're out of here, we need to get to the... I don't care. That's fine. And then once the task is complete, we also need to forget all of the NPCs that are being tracked as part of this. Okay, let's talk to everybody. This has been a complete disaster. This is a disaster, yeah. Resume time. Game broke. Hello again. All's well that ends well. Hello again. Okay. So global task is active. GameStop. Otherwise, let's do actually task exists GameStop? Or time stop, whatever it is. He doesn't seem interested in talking. Yeah, so now every NPC that's part of this needs to, like, do that. Oh, we already have it. So it should now do, What is it actually? NPC time stop? Yeah, this whole thing needs to be deleted when we do the forget NPCs. Like, I mean, I should have done this here. Like, if we did, like, global forget NPCs time stop. And then we, like, return true, return false. Okay. Stats equals dictionary stat QS, which is NPC / quest ID. Okay, so maybe... Hang on. No? Okay, I think my quest thing just doesn't work correctly. Or maybe it needs to be dictionary stat. Okay, so that does work. Remove stat, key, erase dictionary. Oh, I see, okay. Okay, so this might forget NPCs now. There we go. And now, none of the NPCs should be attached to the quest. They're all cut loose, adrift in the world. And then we need to figure out how to actually, like, what we're gonna do with the rest of these guys. Also, why would they I guess they would surrender after that. Yeah, there's like absolutely no way I can conceptualize this quest actually resolving. Oh, wait. So... Oh, she's out here still. Okay, so wasn't delete NPC explicitly called on her? Find NPC, forget NPC queue free, else... Global dot, how do we forget an NPC without their ID? I guess I can just forget an NPC by ID. I guess, no, despawn doesn't do that. Forget NPCs by quest, forget NPC in chunks. So let's do like a function delete NPC ID string. Or so like remove tracked NPC. This will be like for n in PCs by chunk. So this is, I think, chunk in NPCs by chunk. For Q in NPCs by, I guess just if ID in by chunk ID Q. I guess we can just do like erase ID. Oh wait, no. NPCs chunk by chunk. For NPC in tracked NPCs. How does tracked NPCs work? The NPC name to an array of quest names. Oh, okay. That's actually what I need. If ID in tracked NPCs for Q in tracked NPCs ID There's so much stuff. And I don't know how to track any of this crap. I guess I can look through this stuff. I think actually, does almost all of this work? I think I can get basically all of this. And then the only thing I don't need is, what the hell's P key? Oh, okay, I see. So if the NPC isn't spawned in, I guess we don't need to worry about this. Or we can do like var NPC equals like, oh god. There's so much state. There's so much state that's tracked by an NPC, and I don't know where it, or I don't know like what it means, or like what all needs to be deleted. I've completely forgotten the structure of it, and it's all just dictionaries of arrays of dictionaries. Like, can I like delete the NPC positions? Like, what is NPC positions? So it's a dictionary of IDs to the dictionary. But like, what is P key? This is the original parent path. What the fuck does that mean? Do I just like NPC positions dot erase here? Is that what I need? I think that's what I need. And maybe I need the quest ID as well. Because we just need this for our... Like, do I need to do anything with NPC positions? And there's literally nothing else here. Nothing else is tracked. How is that even possible? I'm not even properly forgetting the NPCs, I don't think. Because there's so much other state that is where the NPCs are tracked. Like NPCs by chunk. Forget NPC in chunks, I guess? In fact, we don't need that. We need this there. In fact, we can... I guess we forget by NPC... We forget by chunks first. I don't think I need that. And I don't think I need this anymore. Yeah, I'll just remove those. I don't think this is quite all that I need. But I guess I can probably just remove stats, like NPC slash quest ID slash ID. Oh yeah, and this should also be true. Okay, that might work. Yes, where are all these people here? Let's go back to PS fail. And we'll also global add stat PS exit, and then I'll save fail again. Okay, resume time. Who cares? Okay, now let's go to stats. Let's make sure that if we go to NPC, okay, there's nothing in here. Good. So that means if I resume time, or if I save and quit, and then resume the game, the NPC should be gone. Except maybe... I guess maybe the scientist might be there still. But yeah, now the NPC should just not be here. Good, okay. Except for you. That's fine. You're all fucked up now. Okay, so let's have you... So active entities, so... I guess we can also just have one of the scientists here. Like, you know what, let's have it if, quest completed. And then what we're gonna need is something else, like a... whatever. Global.task is complete. Time stop. This will be TS scientist. Okay. Okay, but I think now, all's well that ends well. That's not the right dialogue. Oh, right. No, it is. Okay, yeah. To do some decompression dialogue. So that means that we no longer ever do time stop completed. So that just doesn't exist anymore. And then time stop completed. That doesn't exist either. Hello again. Some decompression dialogue. Also, we should have a similar thing for the assistant. Just to do some ending dialogue. So we also need more things for the rest of the NPCs, but oh well. What else do I need? I need, the route where you actually talk him out of the assassination. How is that going to resolve itself? I know. Let's just have for now that, okay. Yeah, let's not have this here. So, Dr. Karmov isn't a fan. He could help make something bigger happen. He gets out his radio. Okay, so attention everyone. So sorry for the delay. My wife and I are separated. Jack. Lynn helped fix my radio. But I don't know where. So hopefully we can find my wife. Let's say that. Fix my radio, but my wife has still. Let's say that. You still missing. You can all help find her. Never should find the councilman's wife. Neither gave clear explanations as to why they were so lost. And then we can do like go to, you know, I guess we can just do like prepare resume false. Let's do this. Oh wait, I forgot. There we go. Of course, let's see. Let's go back to the time stop. So prepare failure. This is now going to be prepare resume with like success. Cool. And then if not success, actually let's do else. So if success, we have successfully gotten the like councilman and his wife, and they can return. And for now what it'll be is the only way you can really resolve this is just by hang on, 5 and 6. What is this is gonna be. So right now there's 2 ways to resolve this. You can either convince him to not assassinate them, and then you just like help him, or then you just like let him pretend that nothing happened, or you fail to stop him, and it's very awkward for everybody, basically. But okay, let's add stat. So this should plus stat TS exit. Oh wait, no. We literally have that when we don't need that here. Because now that's going to be in the prepare resume. We can literally just do like var x global add stat TS exit. So we know we're resuming time. And then we can also have, I guess that'll be that. Let's do like failure. Failure. I talked to Councilman Sayed. What's his name again? Out of assassinating. I suppose I won't. I'm not sure what she'd say. Suppose we just pretend it never happened? I'm not sure how to resolve this. I don't know how to... Or I don't know what to do with this information. Let's call this stopped. See, otherwise... Stats. Let's say, like, covered? That makes sense. Okay. When time resumes, you and your wife we're going to see we can't. Well, actually, the cold did something to our radios. Let's see. So, where the hell's Balter? Oh, I'm talking to Balter. Where's floor plans? TS Balter plans. And don't think I forgot about... Oh, confusing. There we go. Cold did something to our radios. I'm sure that explains the floor plans you had in your hotel room. Okay. Let's say that, and let's do like, once, like, Balter, ts/Balter/politician/questions. And then otherwise, like, he continues to ramble at them. Balter is continuing to pelt the two of them questions. Let's put that in both, yeah, let's put that in both of these, like this exit thing. So when we go to the politician and the wife, so it's unclear from the, at least in game, what will happen here. Okay, but we need, so if task is active, time stopped. If not, stack level assassinated. If at Citadel, Otherwise, that. Let's do otherwise like stat ps slash exit. Oh wait, didn't I have... Why did I not get this? I meant to have all of this. In fact, we should have both of these, all of this. There we go. In fact, I think I'm gonna do... Let's go to the wife. So we have the intro. So task is active time stop, not time stopped. Not stat TS missing, not stat TS found. Let's go to... Otherwise there. Oh, I see. I didn't need that. Oh well. And I guess this will... So, TS found is not gonna... Well, I have no idea. There's so many... I've made so many, like, overlapping variables here. I need to, like, go through and re-evaluate all of them, basically. Oh. The two... Wow. Too bad I didn't, like, fucking, like, properly proofread this. Also, how did Control V, like... two of them with questions. Okay. So now we might be able to also talk him out of the assassination. Which I... Will I have to take the whole quest from the top again? That'll be a while. I'm sure I have, like, TS2. Oh, okay. This is the area. Kind of. Actually... How do we do... Tension... No, that's not quite right. I think this here should only happen when, I was about to say it should only happen when the player has, like, cornered him. Otherwise, he, like, pretends nothing happened. But I'm gonna assume that the player will forgive me if, like, he treats it as if it's too late. Why is she under there? I think I need to... Hang on, I'm gonna readjust some of these, reference points. Oh yeah, because some of these are just, like, wherever. Well, no, this looks like it's... Oh, no, okay. No, they are in wrong places. And I should have also put these, like, I should have made these have, like, semantic names. You know, like, ref W for wife, so that way I know who's standing next to whom. Oh well. Talk to the Dr. Karamov. Great. Yes, let's go back. Oh yeah, they have their massive stutter because they, like, go out to God knows where. Okay, so what if I just go right up to the husband now? Let's save this as our new TS like 3. Because I can follow the road, at least. And I think this way leads up to... I think this takes me where I want to go. I think. No, I think I've somehow gotten to Crab Hill East. Maybe? Yeah, I think I'm in the wrong part of town. I think I've wandered off into the mysterious nowhere. What the fuck? Did I somehow get to the west side of the town? Where am I? Because this must be that 9-story building. I thought I was in the completely opposite portion of the area. Okay, I went down the wrong side of the road, I guess. So I think that means that it's to the right of me. But then what are these walls? What is this path that I'm walking on? Who knew this area would be so foreign in complete blackness? Ah, I see. Oh, Chunk claimed it was active, but it was not. Else. And in fact, we should do what I normally do, which is don't have like double negatives. Thank you for that, Godot text editor. Okay. Ignore that. Okay. We finally made it to the like interior wall here. I think? What the fuck? I'm still somehow on the exterior wall. I think. I mean, I guess let's just go this way and make sure that I understand what I'm looking at. Because this could still be... There could be stairs. No, there's definitely no stairs. Okay, so just hug this wall until I actually figure out where I am. There we are. Okay. I found my way up here. Phew, okay. And then in the actual game, this would be in complete blackness without the other NPCs here. What happens if the player can't get up here? I think there has to be some other way for the assassination to happen. And then if that happens, how does the player, like, how is it interesting content if the player doesn't realize what happened? It has to, like, be revealed to them later, like, oh, something, like, happened. Like, the governor's head exploded, and we don't know why. You know, it happened coincidentally right when you were, doing that whole, like, thing. Oh yeah, he's, like, not even here, is he? Or I think he's over here, maybe, or something like that? Oh yeah, okay. Why are there two of them? Okay. Okay, so that's not even remotely correct at all. Oh wait, I was supposed to talk him out of it. I didn't even have the right stats. And they're not even doing the correct things. Why aren't they doing the correct things? And why is the game running at 5 FPS? Like it's a slideshow over here. Right, no, we have to do this, actually. We have to do that no matter what. In fact, we don't even need to do this. We can just do that. And then, like, if n, q free. And then, like, global dot remove tracked npc id. That'd be fine there. But that's not what I actually want. Okay, we got a few issues. Bugs. More navigation bugs. Sometimes there's double NPCs. C's. And I don't care about that. So I think I actually did this. Some NPCs are teleporting around. NPC followers don't properly evaluate if they have to teleport. I think this is good. Sees when spawning. Oh yeah, also, I completely forgot. Teleport NPC did not do the correct thing here. Like, it did not set their stats for, like, the inactive entities. And I don't know if that was... I don't know what that was. I guess maybe when they enter the tree, they need to get their position properly again. Because we do have these duplicate NPCs. So I think that means that, NPCs can't be moved when their chunk is inactive. I think that's what it is. Because all the stats were sent properly, but because the chunk had been unloaded, or because the chunk was still loaded but inactive, the NPCs like did not have their states properly applied. So I may need to do that. But I don't want to do it right now. I mean, admittedly, I want to do the writing either. Yeah, you can see how much stuff is broken. Oh wait, no, Dr. Karamov, like, what are you doing? Yeah, like, he was at the wrong location. Yeah, now what those guys need to do, they need to not be doing that. Well, I can think about the systems more later. I just need to think about the actual, like, questing right now. Because all this AI stuff, I need to save for later. Okay, let's load game again. PS3. I actually need the stats now to, like, do things. So I guess I can do, like, global.add notes. So let's go to global. Add notes. Okay, text and tags. So we have the disapproval of the emirate. Okay. Use this with the freaking time stop. Kazi Bralna. Cause. Okay. So now I can actually stop an assassination by convincing the guy that it's a bad idea. Also, where the heck are we? Okay, so that's the fountain. Oh, we're just in the roundabout still. Okay, so let's not go the very first exit. Let's go the next one. I think this turn actually leads into the road that leads up the path. Wait, let's double check. Okay, yes. Wait, no. Aha, you see, I made the same mistake last time. It's far enough. Okay, so that explains that. I need to go all the way down to the other end of the train station. And then we can go up the path. And now we're on the way to the Citadel. So now I don't need to do any crazy stuff, I think. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. And now the quest will still be, like, half broken, but I can, like, figure that out later. Because right now, I don't even know if I actually want him to be down here at all. But okay, instate me. What are you doing? You're blah, blah, blah. You don't need to threaten me. I don't know what you want me to say. Oh, wait. I just realized he doesn't even explain what he's doing. Ugh. So we need this, convince me. Oh yeah, and what the heck's convinced? We don't need that. So I suppose you don't. And then let's go to assassination. I think? Yeah, assassinate. Let's just say there's nothing you could have said to convince me. What are you doing exactly? Let's just say I'm going to assassinate the governor. I have to. Kill, rename, governor. And then let's go to, like, the assassination, whatever that was. Where the heck is that even? Oh yeah, this is loop. Hostage. Let's actually do like a plus stat here. Well, let's just mention it. Trapped. Let's go to loop assassination. And let's do like not global has note. Governor. Let's just say Yakazi governor, or like Emirate governor. Don't think I know who that is. I don't know who that is. And then let's do like otherwise. Oh, yeah. Otherwise, why kill him? Okay, so this will be like governor reasons. So like, you know, to do, why is he killing the governor? Okay. I'm creating holes as fast as I'm patching them up. But okay, now at least, it's clunky, the fact that, you know, originally I was doing a thing where, like, you had to trap him in a situation before he'd say what he's actually doing, but now he just tells you. And also the fact that, like, he's in the wrong place, but oh well. Okay, so now at least they're here, but we need to load game. PS3. And then, like, I can note, global add note. Use this to win the game. Cause, what is it? I think it's Yukaz/Bralna. Yukaz/Bralna. Okay. So let's save it at like TS through like 4 or whatever it's going to be. I want to play more Rain World now. But okay, this time let's actually like, you know, we go 15 miles. Oh, I see. The road goes up. That's what was confusing me. And then it goes this way. And then we merge. And then the road doesn't quite merge properly. So now we're on the road to El Dorado. Also, I should make the roll jump less irritating with the lamp. Because you can see how it gets super close to the ground, so the lamp like gets dim. Or like the light shrinks. But okay, that's not important right now. What's important is stopping this assassination. We need to save the governor, who we've never met and have no interactions with, and no possible interactions with. Okay, but let's save this as like TS3 like early or something. Or TS like stop early. Save. TS4 early. So right now there's no special thing with getting here early. Okay. Give him the radio. So I'm doing what I have to. Killing rename governor. I don't know who that is. And we can also have like an ask once who, ask once why. And in fact, we should have that for both of these. You can't kill him. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Literally PS4 early. Like, I'm trying to succeed. I'm trying to win the game. By, you know, taking a very dramatic side in this political conflict that I don't really have context for. You can't kill him, so use a note. Use this to win the game. Realm is just one small province in Yukaz. Is it really worth throwing your life away for this? This time stop is too powerful to waste on just this man. This could change the entire world. Oh, I see. We need to forget Q assassination now. And don't I have the other stat? Maybe I don't have it anymore. Because there's something like Karamov Emirate disapproval. Yeah, that doesn't seem to be here. So let's just global add note. Karamov Emirate disapprove. No, wait, no. Win the game again. Okay, use the note. Win the game again. Dr. Karamov isn't a fan of the Emirate. He could help make something bigger happen. You aren't alone. This machine wasted. Do so much more than fuel, you know, small battles, you know. Do so much more than just destabilizing this one province. What would this even accomplish? Throwing the... into chaos, but who's... But surely they have replacement. Time, something better will happen. So this machine can do so much more than this, especially with Karamov's help. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, let's say that. Attention everyone, sorry for the delay. My wife and I are separated. Jackie helped fix my radio, but my wife is still missing. If you could all help find her. Only took a few minutes to find the councilman's wife. Neither gave clear explanations as to how they got so badly lost. Perhaps they'll figure it out soon. So time will tell if they ever learn the true reasons behind this. What am I trying to say here? Time will tell if they ever discuss the truth. Okay. So now we're here. Nobody else is here because it's all busted. Busted and broken. All those damn things. So now we need to talk to everybody else. So Karamov's here. So the NPCs aren't in the right places. But that's okay. So where the hell is Balter? Oh, he's overlapping. I think? No, there's just two of them. So I don't know where Balter is. Because he's the one that I was curious about. Ah, well, I'm going to save and quit and then reload, because then they'll all be in the correct position, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it's only the councilman and the wife. And also, I don't know why they didn't move properly. So now nobody else is in the right position. Where the hell are these guys? They're just walking around doing whatever. I've seen 3 of them. Oh, there he is. Okay. Okay, when we get out of this, you're going to have a lot of questions for you and your wife. I'm terribly sorry for the confusion. The cold did something to our radios. Okay, so... Otherwise... Oh, I just realized. All of these, because I'm copying and pasting these everywhere else. I don't apply that for a second. Okay. So let's get her. Boom. Where is Balter? Boom. Okay. Walter continues to pelt the 2 of them with questions. And then... Oh, and I see. That explains that. Balter doesn't have a light. That makes sense as well. Okay, where's Dr. Karamov? Let's get out of here. Resume time. Okay, and all the actual mechanics are broken here, but at least now they kind of work. Okay, what actually happens if we talk to these 2 guys now? Okay, let's go to this. Cringe. Contacts with you. So let's do like stats. TS assassination covered. He winks. Otherwise, drugs. Good enough. Okay, so now we have 2 branches. We can find him, and we can, like, convince him to not kill the governor. Or we can find him and fail to convince him, or just not bother to convince him. And then there's an awkward conversation with everybody else that we thankfully can just mercifully skip over. Which I think is a thing that I often don't consider in, like, writing the game. I can just skip over things. Because, like, I have no idea what could possibly happen in between being up there and then being down here. You know, at least in the assassination route, other than a very uncomfortable conversation that would also probably not be very interesting. And then later on I can figure out, like, is the player, like, suspected, or a suspect in, like, the assassination if they actually helped. Or, like, if they failed to stop it. This fountain should have more water. I want to foreshadow. Or there should be more water around here. So that way we can properly foreshadow the fact that you can walk on water and climb on waterfalls. But okay, that's not what we need right now. What I want right now What do I want right now? I think now we need, if you completely fuck up the quest and can't do it, and, like, he assassinates him without you knowing, well, I mean, I guess I could just not have that. I could have maybe you discover his wife. In fact, we could have her, you know what? I think I'll do that. Basically, where is... What are these ASR refs? Oh yeah, these are for the jail. Well, now there's not even going to be the arrest path. Now there's... We can completely change how this path works. So let's go to graph. Okay, thank you, Godot, for, like... Okay, do any of these work? Oh, wait, no. I see why. These don't exist anymore. Jack for project. Writing, maybe? Quests. Time stop. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here, and now it's basically none of it exists. Returning the couple split off. So now we have just a few different routes. So like, discover the floor plans. Meet the husband early. Meet the wife early. Or like find the wife. And then, like, you can go to the husband. So, like, get held hostage. And then, yeah, we can, like, we have, like, a wild goose chase here. I don't know what the wild goose chase is actually going to be, but you can potentially do that, or you can, like, fail to stop the assassination. Fail to stop assassination. And then we can have a few different paths here, like, so stop the assassination. You are now the politician's ally, I guess. Assassination happened, so you can't stop him. Cringe. And then, like, assassination happens without you knowing. Hi, welcome to the stream. I am streamlining a quest that I designed. Oh, nice. Thank you for the raid. Let's see. So I've done... What of this have I done? I guess now I've technically done all this stuff. I need to rework the wife's route. Okay. Do I want to do this from the top? I might as well do this from the top. I can, like, reevaluate things. Oh. computer is dying and killing itself and falling apart. I can hear the music lagging. The whole stream is dead. The raid killed my computer and stream. 11 viewers was just too many. I don't know why it does that sometimes. It's very strange. But okay, let's also... There's like a minor bug with this thing where I have to like check these and uncheck them or else it doesn't work right. Okay, let's see if this actually works. Maybe I need to close all these tabs. Okay, now it works. See, now it loads without issue. Oh, not quite. It, what did it do? What did I do? Time stop in base dictionary? Oh, I see. I don't care. There's something broken with this quest right now. No, I guess I do have to care because it's not letting me resume. If not, global.task is active. Time stop. Print debug. Fix me. Nav.body. .q free. Actually, you know what? Global.forget npc nav.body. Return. There we go. That'll make my life easier. So now they'll delete themselves. But okay. Let's start a new game. Just so we can see the sketches of things working. So that's the mountain. That's the cool mountain. These are the cool train tracks. They're not quite aligned with the ground yet. You know, that's a work in progress. There's the cool rocks and valleys and things. But okay. We need to get to a guy. And we need to ask him why he's standing out here. Eventually he'll have a cool lab coat too. But hello. And he'll stop shaking. Oh, hello. Can I help you? So I was just curious about the lab coat. Are you a doctor? I didn't even realize I was still wearing my coat. Okay. So you're a researcher then. So what do you need exactly? Perhaps I can help find it. So I'll skip a bunch of stuff. Where do you suggest I look? Well, basically, he needs a thing. He doesn't know where to get it. So good luck to the player. So you can ask, for example, this guy, have you seen anything like this? We don't sell that kind of stuff. Is there someone who does? No. Thank you. Okay, let's ask this random guy. You show this man a picture. I'm looking for some parts. Have you seen anything like this? Can't get into the market, eh? The market? Wow, you really don't know what you're doing, do you? Okay, maybe I don't. I still want to find these parts, though. Well, how about this? If you do something for me, or you do something for me and I'll put you on the right path. Okay, and then I have to get a thing. Basically, video game side content. Left as an exercise for me in the future. And right now, the thing we gotta get is this thing. Very cool. The quest is downright functional. Hello again. We need to give him some random thing. So this is what I want. Also, for my end of the bargain, ask him for the frozen lamb in the back. Alright. So now I need to go to the notes. I can ask him about that. I'm quite confident I want it. And now I have a key. And I can go into an area that is also a bit under construction right now. But at least it has a maze. Could have sworn that'd be the way. I guess this is the way. Alright. Never seen anyone like... Or I've never seen you here before. How'd you get here? I tripped in the freezer and fell in by accident. I don't care how you found this place. There's just one rule. Keep a good thing a secret. So what exactly are you looking for? I'm looking for this thing. You with Dr. Karamov? I told him we don't have any because we don't. So could I look in the ruins? What, the necropolis? A very bad idea for you to go in there. So why? All the safe levels were picked clean, so there's ruins that haven't been explored. There's ruins where everybody died when they went down. So that means there could be a capacitor? Not a capacitor. He doesn't need a capacitor. Hang on. Where is... It's in location? I think it's in... Crab Hill West Black Market. A capacitor? So that means there could be... down there. Okay. Alright, let's go down in there. Also another area that's in desperate need for renovations. So let's see. Rigid body capsule around there. I mean, there is one. It's just that I manually annotate which objects have collisions, so sometimes I just don't bother with it until I'm actually done stuff, or like done with things. Okay, so there's a bunch of cool oh wait, no, I literally got the thing. I don't even need to be down here anymore. And I did a death warp, basically, right there. Let's see. I'm doing well. How are you? Alright, let's see. So I need to talk to a man about a thing. He's a man who's shaken. We need a science thing. I believe I found the part you were looking for. Alright. I'll consider it. So he's going off. He was supposed to go off and do a thing. I don't know why he didn't go to do that. Let's head to the lab. I'll show you the machine. Well, that's fucked up. I had a whole system. I've put quite a lot of effort, in fact, into making a system where NPCs can move from one place to another, and it seems to not be working currently. I mean, at least they spawned. Oh, I see. He's here. Oh, I see. Because I added one. So this guy can't be here because of the way that I've set it up. Okay. So let's have that with, like, let's have, like, I need a way to, like, set NPCs to pasture. Where's my quest, like, code? Quest tracking. Track NPC locations. So we have basically all this stuff, I think. Oh, wait, no, we don't have that one. Ability to track what chunk we're in. When a chunk is loaded, load NPCs, mark that. Unified scripting for quests, manager class, base class, that stuff. We got all that. But what I need now... So, Friar and the Slayer. Interesting. Let's see. Way to have NPCs... or... NPCs in a location after the quest ends. Just a stat seems broken. Because it should have been... Hang on. If we go to Crab Hill Lab... Actually, who is this guy? Why is this guy here? So this is dynamic content, active entities, time stop, TS scientist. I guess that's fine. So I guess my main question is, why is he here but wasn't deleted from over there? Okay, let's move this there. There we go. So this is the demonstration. What's all of this? Okay. Let's talk to everybody. I just like exploring caves. Nice to meet you. So it's nice to meet another woman taking part at least. Okay, we got all that stuff. Rename. Yeah, just that. Basically, there's a lot of NPCs that are on this little scientific demonstration. We have an assistant, councilman, his wife, an investor, a security guy named Bolter, and then the scientist himself, the main man. And we're basically going into a time-stopping machine. See, I mean, we don't even need to wait for them, actually. And plus, in the final version, they should be, like, right up here. Alright, is everyone ready? Yes. I mean, I don't know why our assistant isn't walking up here, but... Okay. We're now in the time stop. Who the hell didn't come up? You should be here too. Do we have 2 assistants? No, it's just 2 of them are wearing green. But okay. Basically, we're gonna look at the fountain, because time is all stopped. So we need to see it in action. Because it's dark because there's no light, because light doesn't move when the time is stopped, and it's cold because there's no air moving, and that's what temperature is. And the water doesn't move because things don't move. Okay, so as you can see, the time stop is real, everything stops, blah blah blah, great. So am I ready to go back? Yeah. Well, that was cool. Good thing nothing bad is going to happen. Good thing these 2 are not going to do anything. Who knows where she's going off to? Actually, where are you going off to? So dark. You said it would be like this, but it's so strange to see in real life. Hey, we're supposed to be going the other way, actually. So, Freyrun. I should watch it at some point. Why is this guy... I'm fine, thank you. Why are you not, like, moving anywhere at all for any reason? There's, like, so many basic things. Because I know that I'm supposed to be doing, like, Ah, well, whatever. I'm doing quest writing, not quest fixing. Okay, Karamov. So everyone here, let's do a head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's missing? So he realizes the couple, Lila and Councilman Syed. Actually, I should probably save TS2, maybe TS3 now again. Okay, is my radio working? Okay. Nothing worked there. Save TS3. Let's see if the assistant is actually working. No, he's just broken. I don't know why he's like this. But okay, so now I actually need to be able to figure out where the wife is. Oh, wait. We can actually see her very faintly. This is her, like, test area, though, so eventually we need an actual place for her. Any luck finding them? Oh, it's the councilman's wife. What happened? My husband and I were exploring and got lost. Both our radios were dead. Then he slipped and broke his ankle and I couldn't find help. How in God's name did you 2 go so far just exploring? Going to see the fountain. So we didn't think about it, and the radios didn't work and now he's hurt. Well, now what is it actually? Let's rewrite. Let's try to figure out what she would have said. So, 10. So where would this have been? Well, there are birds near the mosque. Actually, I know. There are usually birds at the train station. But we couldn't... A wrong turn. West part of town. It's alright, we'll help. Where is he now? So this is not quite right anymore as well. Let's just say, I don't know. It's hard to tell what anything is. Wait, let's see. So super focused, or another reason. Yeah, have a good evening. Thanks for stopping by. And enjoy the rest of the stream as you're lurking. But okay, so it's hard to tell. It's impossible. So go to 2 outside? What is 2 outside? Oh yeah, none of this is actually correct anymore. We're gonna do like I guess this is fine. Then we just do like quest time stop distract. Next phase found. Note TS/found wife. And then we'll do exit plus quest. No, I know what to do. We don't need any of this. Or like wife next point. Okay. And so what this is gonna do is let's go like wife go to 0 maybe. Actually, let's pause that. Okay. So function wife go to point int match point 0 1 pass. Okay, so what is the first point that we want to go to? So this isn't right. Well, none of this is right. Let's see. Let's do this, actually. Skip. Ask more questions. What landmarks do I even have in the city? So there are usually birds by the, Rename, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. So rename birds by the whatever the fuck. So they went somewhere. Or she says they went somewhere. And then she doesn't know where they are. So it's like, I think we were near the, entrance. I think we wound up near the wall. So I think we're near the wall. Yeah, okay. Let's say that. So he's near, I think. Can lead you to... Okay. So point 0 is now going to be right around here. Let's get our preview terrain. Yeah, so I'll put it like... maybe even in the other chunk, Crab Hill entry. Spatial, time stop, position. This will be like checkpoint wipe. Well, I guess this is fine. I don't like how the game is running at like 2 FPS, but... there we go. Okay. 2, 3... Okay, so how many other people do we need? I think we only have 5 characters now. So checkpoint wife, checkpoint like Bolter, checkpoint scientist, checkpoint assistant, checkpoint investor. Okay. So we can have wife go to. So we're gonna do quest time stop. Everyone goes to the checkpoint or something. Quest time stop, like go to checkpoints. Actually, I think that's fine. Move NPC TS wife BN. So this will be like checkpoint wife. In fact, what I'm gonna do, let's just add a position 3D. And that may seem like a typo, but it's actually a clever change. Boom. So now I can do checkpoint / wipe. And then what I'm going to have here is a function en string return grab hill entry time stop / s n. So now we go to the checkpoint. And then when everybody else goes to the checkpoint, let's just have it called to checkpoint. This will be everybody else goes to their position. I guess that'll just be the 4 of these guys here. And then investor, and then alter. And then we can have like a plus stat, or like... let's just have that in here as like a... plus stats, help. TS / help / checkpoint. Okay. So once TS / distract outside, do I need this? I don't need this anymore. So it's next phase found. All that stuff. I guess we also do like... Do we need this? Yeah, let's update assassination, actually. Okay. So now I can see how much of this will actually work. And I guess for now I'll just do the solo route through this without getting the other people's help. I've completely forgotten where the wife is. So yeah, the player can just, like, charge into the darkness on their own, and eventually it's not going to be this easy. And, like, finding them, okay, so we got that stuff. So how in God's name... Nah, let's not ask that. Near the front entrance, I'll lead you to him. Well, you should be running, and also... Okay. At least she's, like, in the right location. Okay. Well, where is he? He was here. He was just here. What if something happened to him? Where on earth would he have gone? You said he had a broken leg? Must be panicking. So do you have any other ideas where he could have been? So we have a hotel room in the city. Maybe he's headed there? First, we should notify the rest of the group. I've, like... Okay. So much stuff in here is not, like... Yeah, like, you can literally see radio... Oh, wait, what? Okay. You radio in. What? Attention everyone. Insert wife's name here and I are coming back to Central Square in front of the lab. Why is this not showing up? These radio fonts should be here. So how did you find your way back here, Hef? That's not true. How did you find your way back here so quickly, but you both got lost before? Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. None of the signals are working anymore. So we need to have, what the hell is this? Oh, yeah, this is this. I don't need this anymore. So then we need to move wife. Yes, wife. To, probably all the way to the hotel. That'd be fun. So go to hotel. Oh, right. Right now we do incorrect stuff. Because now we need to go to Crab Hill Rails. So do we have... I guess we do actually have a way up here. That could be interesting. Well, kind of. Actually, no, we don't. Those stairs don't work. But okay, let's add a position. So this is going to be time, stop. And then we'll add a position for, like, hotel. And then we'll add a position for the wife. So basically, you and her are wandering around the dark for a while. Well, yeah, I guess this is fine. Eventually, it should probably be a bit better than this, but oh well. And string, return, grab, hill, rails, time, stop, slash, S. Okay, so we're gonna go to the rail node, hotel, white. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is, I guess not this one. Well, let's do quest, time, stop. To hotel. And then, like, wife to hotel. Or, like, quest, stop. What's it? I guess wife go to, let's say that for now. So this means that we should be right where we were, and the wife should be right where she was, because that item was actually broken. Like this dialogue option, let's see. Do you have any idea where he could be? I suppose we should head right there. Oh, well, she walked off to nowhere, because she can't actually lead us there yet, since it takes place over the course of, like, several chunks. But if we just keep roll jumping... What can I do to make this mechanically more involved? I guess we could have her run and jump on stuff, and that way the player has to keep up, or they, like, get fucked in the dark. Which wouldn't be... Honestly, that wouldn't be that good of an idea. Unless I just have it so that Lila's position resets. Okay. Why does this keep happening? If NPC equals NPC get a file name. Like, the obvious issue here... Okay, because that's not correct. So who's the NPC? So the NPC is null. So why is this here? How does this work if this is here? So, like, if not NPC, or that, we return. Okay, there we are. Find it hard to believe he dragged himself all the way up here with a broken ankle. Use a note. The councilman and his wife were apparently lost, but his wife seemed to know exactly where to go, taking me halfway across the city. So where is your husband? I don't believe you. You ran all the way here without telling anyone, and you somehow ran back past us without anyone noticing. You were walking all over the central square. Surely you would have seen the lights. Okay, you tell me. She didn't sprint away. I don't know where she should actually go now, though. I'm thinking maybe... What if she went up to the top of the hotel? Like she somehow is able to climb up there. I think that'd be interesting. Okay, so sprints away. So none of this is correct. Main speaker. Let's just do get. No, quest. Time stop. Wife. Go to 2. We don't actually go to that many places. But for now, I'm going to be lazy. We go to... just right next to there. Or right next to here. And eventually it should actually have like a proper like path up between the two things. Which I guess I could do by having like a network of nodes, like one node is accessible from another node. That could be interesting. Also, there's still weird things with like the ledge here, but oh well. Save and quit there. So we should put found back to hotel soon, but we can ignore that for the time being. Okay, yeah, you know what? For now, let's ignore that. I think what I could do is have a separate route to convince her that we're on her side and don't want to have anything bad happen. Oh, okay. Just keep running away, it makes things worse. Let's do... Load game TS3. Okay, let's go back to this again. In fact, I want item hover scooter. So that way I don't have to see that dang, like, roll jump with the lamp. And you're like finding them. Alright. Where is he now? Yeah, so something weird with, like, the... Oh, I bet it's activating the chunk, and then she's teleported there. I don't like that. But I don't like a lot of things about the, like, the overall level of polish right now. Alright. Do you have any other ideas? Let's go. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait for you to, like, mosey on over here. Okay, so let's save this. I don't care. How is this still null? It's just not correct. I guess npc dot file name, just have that there. Okay. Save PS4. Load game. TS4. Okay, easy. We're already looking for him. Oh, I've completely fucked it up because I didn't actually get everything. Okay, so what is it? So I find it hard to believe you dragged yourself all the way over here. We're already looking for him. So if we do that, I guess we just go to 3. Or in, like, station wife? So let's just do, like, the next phase. So, like, quest... We don't need that. And then, quest time stop wife. Go to station. No, let's do, I guess, just 3. And what we'll do is we'll have the rails. So station. Right now that won't work either, but that's okay. Let's save here. And I think we should do like another phase. Like set phase found, like a station. He might be by the rail station. I have... This is... You can't just keep dragging me around in the dark. Why would he be over here? Me trying to get back toward the others. Okay, let's go. Okay, what a surprise, he isn't here. And so we should probably do this. Plus stat. TS couple sus, and then like mention husband. Places to check. Okay. So right now, we have all of our Wild Goose Chase stuff. And then soon I also need to have it so that like you can successfully like chase the goose such that it does its other stuff or whatever. But okay, right now that's fine. Failed to do nav in progress. Oh yeah, because it's not in progress with a... It's in progress with a question mark. Might be by the rail station. Okay, let's go. What a surprise, he isn't here. There's still more places to check. Wasn't there... I don't have any notes. Oh, I see. Because we need something like this. So... Across the entire city. What does this even mean? I don't think she has any idea where he is. Or at least she's not showing, or I don't think we're getting anywhere. Okay. Now let's try this again. Okay. Something is amiss. Where is your husband? Or let's say this. Okay, hang on. Something is bothering me about the fact that the, let's go to dialogue viewer. You know what, I'll just put it in bugs. I think bold fonts don't have the fallback font for the fancy brackets for the radio. You know, this little symbol here. I think this fallback font doesn't work for them. Okay. Fallback font for the cool radio brackets doesn't work for bold font or text. Okay, there's still more places to check. No, there aren't. In fact, wasn't I supposed to... Hang on. Where's your husband? I don't believe you. Let's just say she's running. Okay, so she'll be up there. So now I just have to figure out a way to get up there. Which is probably not even possible with the tool sets you get in this area. Oh yeah, it's literally just not even possible. So I think I may need to choose like a different building. I guess I could just have it be... you know what? For now. I mean, what is even our epic final confrontation here? Let's just say that. In fact, we could have that for, like, the she's running. And we don't need this. Well, I guess we do. Let's do, like, main, or, like, quest time stop. Stop radio alerts. Or, like, wife radio alerts. Something like that. Oh yeah, this isn't just nighttime, this is the time has stopped. And so there's no light because light is photons moving. That's also why I'm in this crazy snowsuit, because temperature is the heat of air, which is the random movement of the air. So it's absolute zero and pitch black because time has been stopped. And so these guys don't have their suits yet, they're just naked in ponchos, so they're gonna die, but I'm fine. In fact, if we did like a global time start time, it's like 10 a.m. in the game. So let's stop time again. Yeah, I've heard of Tenet. I haven't watched it yet. But okay, so what is our cool final confrontation here? Because if we play our cards wrong, what should happen here is that Lila's husband successfully assassinates a politician because she's basically just playing interference for him. But then if we, like... Can I actually convince her to tell me where he is, maybe? Or maybe she radios him and they signal? Yeah, and I think this quest will also be very interesting once there's more characters just doing things around, because they'll all be frozen. So it'll just be really weird to just, like, you know, be in this suit in this clearly inhospitable environment, and then there's just a dude in a, like, t-shirt and sandals sitting around. But okay. The final confrontation here. You have two out. So let's say there are two, let's say 3 possible scenarios. You don't, or like you, run out of time. Excuse me, my throat is dying. At least my hiccups went away. So you run out of time, he is a success. You come away empty-handed. You convince her. I guess you intimidate her, maybe? You where he is? Maybe? You discover the plan. Or you learned about... So I guess this will be like with a gun or with Walter. The plan without Walter. You talk her into calling it all. Okay. Let's say that. Let's go back to NP graph. Time stop. So I guess... Oh yeah, okay. So we don't need this one. There we are. New item, like, find the floor plans without Walter. Let's say with Walter. Let's just say that. Are not with Walter. Well, what am I trying to say here? We just have the wild goose chase, and we can either intimidate her, in which case we get up to here again. Let's say... convince her the plan is bad. Oh wait, there's a lot of stuff here. She, tells you where he is. Well, why would she... No, I don't think she would do that, though. Maybe she jumps off into the darkness, just to, like, tell you to go to hell. And then there's, like, a time limit or something. Like a physical, actual time limit. So then from here you can either do whatever. Convince her the plan is a bad idea. And then, I guess you stop it. Well, how would you find this? I guess you would find it with Walter still. Because you have to get him to open the door. Okay, I guess let's just go with the, like, failing to stop the assassination still. In fact, we don't even really need this. It's just not even, like, a outcome. So it's only gonna make things worse. Okay, final confirmation. You know what, let's just have, run out of time. Let's just say there are 2 possible outcomes. You convince her their plan won't be good, and she calls it off. So let's just have, for now, just like win the game. Well, I guess just stop the assassination. Let's just have all of the routes in the game first. Okay, so you hear Yed's voice on the radio. Okay. Actually, it's bothering me that there's a trailing white space there, but Syed. Attention, everyone. I fixed my radio. My wife and I are separated. But I think... Let's see, so we should actually assassinate the governor here. And then we should prepare the time stop thing. Whatever it's gonna be. I think we like... time stop... No, quest... Time stop... Assassinate... Governor... And then, quest, time stop, repair, what is it called? Resume or something? Prepare, resume, true. And this is no longer success, this is like with couple. So there's basically two different variables for this for the quest's outcome. There's a governor that can either be assassinated or not assassinated, and a couple that can either be brought back with you or left behind. And I think right now there's only 3 combinations of those that are in the game, because there's no way to like stop the assassination but then not bring them back. Assassinate governor. Okay. So that just does that. My wife and I are separated, so if we can please help find her. Fade out. So you don't understand what exactly happened. It seems the two wife were found pretty shortly afterward. Let's do like plus stats AC, no, TS / assassination. I know. / complete. This is now going to be assassination / witnessed. Yeah. So this is going to be assassination / silence. And we also have assassination / covered, which is now going to be like stopped. Okay. And basically the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to do any stat here. Any stat, assassination stopped, TS / assassination silent. Okay. Because now we have a happy ending, kind of, for them, not for you, really. Well, yeah, that's fine. And then, cut falter, this guy, this guy. Assassination stopped. So now I think what we can do and let's actually have the rest of this in here. You have you should have the distinct feeling that something happened. No, this is quests time stop. Oh wait, no. This needs to be down here. Councilman Syed and your wife were found quite quickly after his radio fixed. You have the distinct feeling that something terrible has happened. You have an ominous feeling in your stomach. Oh wait, no. I keep saying her wife. Councilman Sayed's a guy. Now, Councilman Sayed was found quite quickly after his radio was fixed. Uninjured. He was completely unharmed and unfazed. Okay, so let's note this. Actually, we can literally just note it here. I feel like something terrible happened. I'm missing something. I don't understand what happened. Do I tell the others? Okay. All that hassle and chasing. That hassle chasing around. And then her husband. Just fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we have basically... Oh yeah, I forgot. I was gonna also finish the other scenario of actually stopping the assassination. So right now it's just gonna be her that this is a mistake. You probably need pieced together the plan by this point. And so let's say, oh wait, no. We should be getting... No. What should she say? Do they have a code for this? I don't think they actually have any sort of code for, like, if she's convinced. Actually, that's a perfectly good idea then. Then she can't. So you have to go in person. In person. There's no way. Without us. So let's go to... no, let's do quests. Time, stop, wife, go to. Number 4. Which is off to the Citadel. And that way, you can also have like, so for move NPC. Actually, we don't really need, like... Yeah, that's fine. Yes, wife. RN, no, I know. This is gonna be, yeah, the Citadel node. Crab Hill Fort. What is our location going to be? Let's do AS4. Sets nation AS4. I think that means actually, I think the phases are completely redundant, and I can just basically remove like updates assassination. For example, I don't think this is ever used. Except, well, actually it is kind of used. But okay. Okay. So what I want to do now... Actually, I have an even better idea, I think, which is to basically just have her follow the player. So, like, main speaker, nav, follow, player. Though this will be a unique problem, because then the player has to actually know where the Citadel is. So I'm not going to hurt you, blah, blah, blah. So stop the assassination. We need to stop him in person. Okay. I went the wrong way, I think. You know, jumping off that cliff in complete blackness was a bold decision, I think. Okay, but we are going the right way. Yeah, I'll probably need, like, the ability for her to lead us in a location. Even though I want her to actually be a follower for the player. Okay. So now we should have some dialogue for her. So let's do, like, save as, like, TS4 follower. Okay, so found running. Let's do, main speaker is... Well, actually, let's put a new phase then. Set phase, found follower. Or, like, found convinced. So let's do he's at the Citadel. You lead the way. Okay, let's go. Do implement. And then actually let's do like main speaker, nav, at, or within. So don't we have the Citadel here as like a thing? Crab Hill Citadel. We need to get up to the capital. Well, huh. How on earth do we do that? Okay, let's do it then. When time is stopped, water is solid. Otherwise... There we go. There we are. And then what I'm gonna have is if the player has her here, so hostage. Let's do global is follower PS wife. What are you doing here? Talk in Yukazi. You can't just... So much time. And you're done. What should we do? I'd like to apologize. Let's say he sighs and pulls out his radio. For being so terribly lost without our radios. Young Jackie here. Alright, fade out. And they come with you, and people don't ask many questions. Well... explanation. Relatively airtight. So this is also basically, where's our assassination like stopped? Let's do this basically. Wherever that is. Yeah, this, and then we can do like an exit. Oh wait, no, and this isn't even... This isn't the language anymore. Salam. Okay, let's do... Let's do this, actually. Exit. So, global is follower, her. Fade out, do that. Oh, we need... Okay, that's what threw me for a loop. So we got all that stuff. And then, I don't exactly know. We're planning, but I seem to have stopped it. Well, let's just say, to talk Lila out of her plan. Lila and her husband plan. I don't know if I should... I can keep a secret. Relatively airtight. It got lost. The radio's malfunctioned in the cold. Dark, and then you found her. No harm, no foul, as you imagine. Okay, no harm, no foul, as you see it. Okay, so now we have, I think, all of the routes. Like, or at least all of the basics of the routes. And that makes me happy. Wow, it's already 9:46. I can't... It feels like time flies when I have fun. Okay, that didn't quite work. Wait. But she's not in progress. Oh, I see. Wait, no. I don't see. Because she's not in progress. Maybe one of them? Maybe, like, one of the other ones is? So failed to execute main speaker nav resume. But then... Like, that's not true. Simply not true. Oh, I see. It's because she's following me. Okay, that's because I need to set that phase there. Alright, let's do a little surgery on our, like, save here. So, TS wife found, running. Global set stat TS wife slash found slash... Let's set this to convinced. It's because she was in progress. Okay, we need to find Sayed at the Citadel. Let's go. If I know anything, it's how to navigate the city in pitch blackness. I think... Okay, good. Like, diving off into the ominous blackness. Very difficult. Okay. But it's just across the street. And thankfully this city is like half a square kilometer. Also, I don't know why her light flashes so much. But okay, so she should explain. So we need to get up to the capital all the way at the top. How in God's name are we supposed to do that? So let's have that as like the capital building, the capital offices. And let's have this be like Citadel. So that way there's a bit of an alert there. Time stop. Video game time stop. I remember that I made that as like one of the mechanics in the game where like time would stop. Start time. That time. Stop time. So this should, okay, so now it works, but loading the game, oh, no, I don't get it. Maybe I get it. Let's just say bugs, water doesn't seem to be walkable when loading the game during time stop. Or when starting the game into a time stop, I guess. But now the poor player is going to have to figure out how to platform up here, which hopefully will not be too difficult for them. Are you... What are you doing here? Okay, they're talking Yakazi. Well, they're not doing a whole lot of talking. She's kind of busy right now, you know, falling. Well... Okay, who cares? No harm, no foul as you see it. Yep, I certainly see it that way. I don't give a shit. Try to assassinate a governor and it's like, not my problem, dude. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's say, let's go to the scientist. Yep. So this, I don't think we need this. Because now because now we have TS exit. So I don't think this ever applies. Yeah. Let's not have that there at all. Time, stop, exit. So assassination witnessed, otherwise, TS assassination stopped. Otherwise, so to relief, we found them. I'll have to be more careful. I don't think we should be doing these sorts of demonstrations if people are just going to wander off like that. Maybe with some tracking devices. We had some sort of tracking device. Okay. So Balter, okay, when we get out of this, we're gonna have a lot of questions for you and your wife, Councilman. I don't buy that for a second. You clearly left on purpose. And then Walter is continuing to pelt the two of them with questions. And I think there's like two of each of them. Yeah, there's a few extra councilmans. There's 3 Lilas, I'm pretty sure. There's 3 of them. You know. Not the first time that's happened with a time machine. Probably the first time that's happened with a machine that just freezes time, though. And only like... Oh wait, no. Did one of the Lilas disappear? I think one of the Lilas died. No, they just fused. Well, that's fine. Okay. Lila avoids making eye contact. I guess... Let's have something there if you convinced her specifically. This should be like making eye contact with you. Let's do like a plus stat for convinced. TS wife convinced. Actually, let's note this. I convinced Lila that their plan was to cause problems. We're going to convince her husband now. We have to convince her husband. Time stop. And that will be where we do this. So it'll be stats, PS, wife, convinced. I'm so sorry about all of this. This was the most miserable experience of my entire life. If anything, jumping around in a time, quite fun. It's a fun excuse to jump around. Or to run dark. Alright. You have a habit of making jokes about such serious things. Okay. Okay. Well, all's well that ends well. I think the investor's a funny guy because he has no idea what's happening here. He is not related to the plot at all. He's just kind of here as like an extra, you know, body. But okay. Talk to Dr. Karamov. Yeah, some decompression. Councilman shrugs. Who cares? Okay. We got an epic thing. We got a cool stuff. We got a quest that works. It's 10 p.m. So I guess that should be it. I'll enjoy my shower. But okay. I was getting a bit mad at the confusing parts of this earlier on, but I think in the end, the quest is now a bit simpler, and that's very good for me. Because you can stop all the stuff. You can fail to stop the assassination. You can stop it. So now what I need to do is basically go through all of these again and punch up the dialogue, basically. Like, do some actual wordsmithing. And make sure all the stuff works. Because I think... I mean, I guess it's all what I need it to be. In terms of, like, actual implementation. What I'll do, though, is I can put here... so for February... What was I going to do today? I guess they're all completed. I guess they're good enough. Thursday. Figure out how to remove the phase stuff. Remove... Yeah, you know what? Let's just remove extra code. Let's just say that. Remove extra stuff. Any bolter code that's relevant? Oh wait, actually, there is one route that I forgot, which was you can leave without... You can just convince them to not... Yeah, hang on. File, open recent. This one. So you can just leave with the... like... Leave without even looking lol. And in this case, they just both, like, assassination happens, but you don't know, and they all died. also they're dead. And that will not be completed. And I have to check and uncheck because there's like a memory, like there's an uninitialized variable that I just haven't fixed in this graphing thing. But okay. The assassination happens, but you don't know. Also, they're dead. So that's the final one. So like, assistants, leave them root. So like, the whole phase system, and then also, let's see, like, convincing Lila. What do we need? How do you figure out the plan? How do you come to understand her? But okay, I'm actually quite happy with this because this means the quest... I mean, now it's stuff that I've implemented before. I just need to patch it back together and, like, remove more dialogue than anything. But then we actually do some, like, wordsmithing on Friday and Saturday. Yeah, that makes sense. Do I need... I guess I don't need too much of this stuff. Do we need this? I mean, I guess I'll eventually need it. I don't think it's going to be part of this week. What's the big light? Oh yeah, we need to figure out the big light. I'll put that in there probably. When held hostage, start the game. So that's not even really here. That's more in like where the hell is that actually? Quests. Major quests. When held hostage, start the game from there. Talk the guy out of it route, the negligence route, the protector route. Name all the NPCs. Did I name them? Oh, I forgot to name the assistant. The hypocrisy of the emirate. I think this I could establish better. More clearly. Establish the relationships of everybody more clearly, in fact. Doesn't like the emirate, and the emirate doesn't like him. Okay. I think that's good. Time stop quest has some routes that work now. Okie dokie. Okay, I will be back on Friday. Yeah, that's the new schedule. I'll be off on Thursday doing my wordsmithing, my magic, contemplating things about these characters in this wonderful world. And then I'll be back to, like, get mad that the characters don't walk from place to place and, like, there's 6 clones of Lila and all that stuff. But okay. I'm quite happy with this. See you later.